If you need a taxpayer identification number but can't get a social security number, an ITIN is your solution. It's essential for non-resident aliens filing U.S. tax returns, U.S. resident aliens, and even dependents of U.S. citizens. To get started, fill out IRS Form W-7. This form asks for your name, address, date of birth, and the reason you need an ITIN. Next, gather your supporting documents. A passport is the best choice since it proves both your identity and foreign status. Other options include a national ID card, birth certificate, or U.S. visa. Remember, you need original documents or certified copies. You can submit your application by mail to the IRS in Austin, Texas, or in person through a certified acceptance agent. Some tax professionals can also help you with this process. After about 7 weeks, you'll receive your ITN in the mail. Once you have it, use it for your tax returns. Just remember, an ITN is for tax purposes only. It doesn't allow you to work in the U.S. or claim Social Security benefits. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider reaching out to a professional tax service for assistance.